Jamaica, watch this.
Police officers swarm a house in St. Toulis, Manchester on Monday following the fatal shooting of 3 men sometime after midday. According to the police, they were executing a search warrant when they were fired on.
On the approach of the police, a group of men were seen exiting the building with firearms in hand. The police accosted the men who engaged them in a shootout. The police advanced inside the building where they were again engaged by other men inside the premises. The police again returned the fire. At the end of the shooting, 3 men were found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot injuries. All 3 men were immediately taken to the Maypen Hospital, where unfortunately they were pronounced dead.
Residents, however, gave a different account.
And then just drive in the yard and kick off the door and start shoot up over there. And I'm no concern, the youth them no fire a shot or nothing, so they can't see a shootout, you know. You understand? That's how police work.
2 firearms were allegedly recovered by the police from the house. Head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Kerry Duncan, could not identify the men, only that they were from neighboring parishes. And as news spread of the incident, family members of the victims blasted the lawmen. The mother of one of the deceased says her son Byron McDonald was forced to relocate from St. Elizabeth to Manchester following Hurricane Melissa.
God, the police then kill me, I got talk about a shootout.
Already the family is calling for a thorough investigation from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, whose officers were on location. Jamila Maitland.